Are you ready for a smartphone that actually gives you everything you need without breaking the bank? Let's talk about the brand new Realme 15T, a phone that's quietly making big noise. First off, the display is a total show stealer. A large 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and an eye-popping 4000 nits brightness. Seriously, it's one of the brightest in its class, so using it outdoors is no problem at all. The phone is slim, just 7.79 mm thick, and feels premium in hand. It's also IP66, IP68, and IP69 certified, which means it can survive water, dust, and more. That's rare at this price point. Powering the Realme 15T is the Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, paired with Realme UI 6 based on Android 15, making it super smooth for daily use, multitasking, and even gaming. Plus, Realme is promising 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches, so you're future-proofed. Now let's talk cameras. A 50 mAh rear camera backed by AI features like Snap Mode and Edit Genie, and on the front, another stunning 50 mAh selfie camera that supports 4K video recording. Whether you're a content creator or just love selfies, this phone has your back. And the best part? A massive 7,000 mAh battery that supports 60W SuperVUC fast charging and even 10W reverse charging, so you can help out your friends when their phones die. In short, the Realme 15T isn't just feature-packed. It's smart, stylish, and built to last. If you're hunting for a budget phone that feels like a flagship, this might just be the best deal of the year.